हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल साइंस क्लासरूम। आज के वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे क्लास 12 फिजिक्स का चैप्टर 1 दैट इज़ इलेक्ट्रिक चार्जेस एंड फील्ड से। क्वेश्चन इज दैट सपोज द स्फेयर ए एंड बी इन क्वेश्चन 12 हैव आइडेंटिकल sizes. A third sphere of the same size but uncharged is brought in contact with the first, then brought in contact with the second, and finally removed from the both. What is the new force of repulsion between A and B? We have two sphere. Okay, so I am drawing here the two sphere, that is sphere A and the another sphere is B. So here it is mentioned that the question is according to the question number 12. So in the question number 12 they mention the two charges, they have the same value of charge, so equal to हम लिख सकते हैं 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 C, and the QB is, so I got this value from the question number 12, so it is related to the question number 12. So according to the question that a third sphere of the same size but uncharged is brought in contact with the first. So we have to add another sphere, so its name is C. So I have to contact this sphere C with the sphere A. So 0, because it is mentioned that it has a uncharged sphere. So next is that we have to brought the sphere C to the sphere A. So for that we can write that charge on A is QA dash equals sphere C comes to A, then the charges will be divided equally on both the sphere as they have same mass and the size. So the value of the charge QA is QA plus QC divided by 2. So we know the value of 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 plus 0, and it is 2. So the value 3.25 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb. So it is the value of QA dash, that is the new value of QA. So this value is that when we contact the sphere C to the sphere A, then the new value of QA dash is 3.25 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb. Okay, now the charge on C will also be so 3.25 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb, because initially the sphere has no charge, that is it is uncharged. When it contact with the sphere A, then the charges is distributed to both the charges. So the new value of C will be 3.25 into 10 to the power minus 7 C. Now the sphere C is contact with the sphere B. So what will happen, that then charge on B is QB dash, so that is QB plus QC dash by 2. Initially the value of QC is 0, and after contacting with the sphere A, it got the value 3.25 into 10 to the power minus 7. Now we add the new value, that is QC with QV. So we got 6.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 plus 3.25 into 10 to the power minus 7 and divided by 2. So I take the common of 10 to the power minus 7, 6.5 plus 3.25 divided by 2. So it is 10 to the power minus 7 into 9.75 by 2. So the outcome is that 4.875 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb. So this is the value of QB dash. Okay. So finally, the value of QA dash equal to 3.25 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb, and QB dash equal to 4.875 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb, and QC dash equal to is 4.875 into 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb. So from Coulomb's law, the force of repulsion between two spheres is, so we have two spheres, that is the new value of QA dash and the another value of QB dash. 3.25 into 10 to the power minus 7 and the QB का वैल्यू है 4.875 into 10 to the power minus 7. Okay, and the distance between the two spheres is 50 centimeter. The 50 centimeter has come from the question number 12, because the question number 13 is related to the question number 12. So we can write that F equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into QA dash QB dash by R square. So 50 centimeter we can convert it in meter, that is 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Okay, so I can write that 9 into 10 to the power 9 and the value of QA dash is 3.25 into 10 to the power minus 7 into 4.875 into 10 to the power minus 7 and divided by 50 into 10 to the power minus 2 whole square. Okay, so इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 9 into 3.25 into 4.875 into 10 to the power 9 minus 7 and divided by 50 into 50 into 10 to the power minus 4. Okay, so the final outcome of these three term, that is 142.59375 into 10 to the power 4 and divided by 25 into 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power minus 4. So okay, after calculating this we got 5.7 into 10 to the power minus 5 plus 2. So which is 5.7 into 10 to the power minus 3 Newton. Okay, so this is the value of the force which is asked in the question, that is what is the new force of repulsion between the sphere A and B. So I got the value of force, which is F equal to 5.7 into 10 to the power minus 3 Newton. Okay, so this is the force of repulsion between the two spheres. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.